Are you sober? You for sure sober? Fortunately, SOBRsafe's alcohol monitoring and detection technology will answer that question with its SOBR Gen 2 device. The device has undergone comprehensive independent testing by KEA Technologies, a renowned leader in engineering services and product development. The testing validated the SOBR Gen 2's core sensing capabilities and consistent performance across its expected environmental operating range. The testing covered critical performance areas, including calibration linearity and environmental impacts on the device's performance. The results showed that the device exhibited excellent calibration linearity, even with low-level ethanol, underscoring the strength of SOBRsafe's early detection technology. The device also demonstrated rapid ethanol response times of 30 seconds or less from initial exposure in controlled testing, including low-level, early detection scenarios. According to CEO David Gandini, the company is poised to gain greater market share with increasing third-party validation, reinforcing the monitoring and detection capabilities of SOBRsafe's technology, and a clear roadmap for product evolution, paving the way for SOBRsafe's accelerated market expansion plans, both domestically and internationally. SOBRsafe's future development efforts will focus on further enhancing low-level detection, minimizing cross-contamination from non-ingested alcohol sources, and advancing onboard sensor diagnostic capabilities and user-adaptable calibration features. This independent validation bolsters confidence in SOBRsafe's core technology, which can help secure future commercial partnerships and accelerate broader market adoption. SOBRsafe's advanced transdermal technology detects and reports in real time the presence of alcohol as emitted through a user's skin without requiring breath, blood, or urine samples. With a powerful back-end data platform, SOBRsafe provides passive, dignified screening and monitoring solutions for the behavioral health, family law, and consumer markets, and for licensing and integration. So get sober checked now. No excuses.